If you have purchased the lit nose accessory after assembly, it will be necessary to replace the front nose of your deck. Remove the 4 M6x14 bolts used to attach nose to the right and left extrusions and set them aside. Remove the factory deck nose. Remove the 4 M6 square nuts used to bolt in M6x14 bolts. Place 4 M6 square nuts into the lit nose accessory, 2 on each end of the nose. Attach the lit nose accessory. Replace the 4 M6x14 bolts, 2 for each corner. Torque frame M6x14 bolts to 9 Newton meters. Team lift the assembled deck onto the vehicle roof. Ensure deck is aligned on the top of your crossbars. Slide 2 T-nuts into crossbar T-channel, 1 on each side of the crossbar. Use 2 M6x30 security bolts. Install universal mount into previously placed T-nuts. Repeat for each mount. Torque to 7 Newton meters. We recommend a professional installation for the wiring of the DEK Light Bar. Locate the wire harness and the wire hider sleeve. Peel the 2-sided tape from the back of the wire hider sleeve and stick along the drip molding on the passenger side or the edge of the windshield. Locate the plug end of the wire harness. Attach to the back of the nose of the deck. String wire harness down along the open side of the wire hider sleeve and into the engine compartment of your vehicle. Follow directions from your vehicle manufacturer to wire into your vehicle battery. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by calling 877-822-5828 or by visiting Küat.com and clicking on the Contact Us button under the Support tab. And be sure to register your product using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.